Okay. Hopefully there's no interruptions. Jeebus. Super wobbly. Okay, yeah. Um, got another problem with the screen recorders, I guess. So may not be any gaming videos for a while. But finally got some time to, I guess, or myself that I can do these last time we did that last episode. And like I said, I'm gonna be kind of blown through these since we had only 9, I believe. Now it's like 8 pages now, I guess. But anyways, ivory-billed woodpecker, the genus. Oh, you're gonna give me the friggin' scientific name. Campepil- Campephilus contains the 2 largest woodpeckers in the world. The second largest woodpecker is. I hate you. Is Campephilus principalis, the ivory-billed woodpecker. The bird is native to southeastern United States and is considered extinct. The largest woodpecker on Earth is. I hate you. Campephyllus imperalis, the imperial woodpecker, also known as the Mexican ivory-billed. This bird once ranged over most of Mexico, but sadly is too now considered extinct. Sightings of these birds still occur, leading many to believe that the mainstream scientific community is wrong about the extinction of the ivory-billed and the imperial woodpecker. And recently, the ivory-billed woodpecker, I guess, was rediscovered. I don't know. All you have to do is just look it up, and you can find tons of articles and all of that. I don't know. I haven't read, so I don't read online stuff. I read out of books, and yeah. Where did I go? Oh, and the imperial pearl woodpecker. This could be a lucrative animal for cryptozoologists to find, as one conservation group has offered. Well, let me get this right. They have a point for cents. $50,000 even. Damn, someone just got $50,000. Wait for me! Here I come! I'm coming into the swamps of Louisiana, Alabama, Florida. I'm never gonna be seen again. That's the truth. You go in there not knowing the land, you're gonna die, or go missing for years and never be found, so nobody knows what the heck happened to you. But everybody most likely agrees you're dead. Ow, but yeah. Anyways, Ash is over here trying to sleep. Like, really? Really? You're talking about stupid stuff? Really? Just let me sleep. Ain't that right, Ash? Okay. To anyone who can lead an or ornithologist to a live ivory-billed woodpecker. The ivory-billed woodpecker of the United States is 20 to 21 inches long, with a wingspan of 30 inches, about the size of a crow. Damn, that's huge. Well, technically crows aren't that big, anyways. But for woodpeckers, yeah, they're big. The imperial woodpecker of Mexico is just slightly larger. Both birds have a dark blue or black body with white markings, a crested head, and a long, narrow, light colored beak. Male birds of both species have a red crest, while the crest on females matches the body color. Ivory-billed woodpeckers inhabit hardwood swamps and old-growth pine forests. Imperial woodpeckers prefer high-elevation pine forests. Both species are similar in appearance to the pileated woodpecker. Okay, though the pileated is smaller and has a much larger distribution. Anyone searching for the ivory-billed woodpecker should familiarize themselves with the pileated woodpecker to avoid potentially embarrassing misidentification. And then here's that one. And you know what? I'm gonna stop it here so I can go on to the next one. So yeah, you'll see another one after this.